Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the real values of x that satisfy this exponential equation. Now, to solve this problem, we are going to start by getting rid of these radicals and writing this equation in exponential form. Now, to do this, remember that the nth root of a to the power m is equal to a to the power m over n. So that means that this can be written as 8 to the power x minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 to the power 2x minus 3 divided by x plus 1. And of course, on the right hand side of the equation, we have 2 to the power 5x plus 3 divided by 6. Now notice that we can write it as 2 cubed. Of course, we still have the power x minus 1 over 2. We can write 4 as 2 squared. We still have the power 2x minus 3 over x plus 1. And of course, this is already in base 2. So this is 5x plus 3 over 6. Now remember that to get rid of these brackets, all we have to do is to multiply these two powers. In this case, we have 2 to the power 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 divided by 2 times, here we have 2 times 2x, of course, is 4x, and 2 times minus 3 is minus 6 divided by x plus 1, and this is equal to 2 to the power 5x plus 3 divided by 6. Now let us remember that when you multiply two numbers with the same base, all you have to do is to add their exponents. So the left hand side of this equation is equal to 2 to the power 3x minus 3 over 2 plus 4x minus 6 over x plus 1. And of course, on the right hand side, we still have 2 to the power 5x plus 3 divided by 6. And now that we have the same base on both sides of the equation, we can go ahead and equate the exponents. When we do that, we have that 3x minus 3 over 2 plus 4x minus 6 over x plus 1 is equal to 5x plus 3 over 6. Let us combine these two fractions into one unit. To do that, we multiply this numerator by this denominator. That is, we have 3x minus 3 times x plus 1. Then we have plus. We multiply this denominator by this numerator. We have 2 times 4x, of course, is 8x. And then 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. Then we multiply this denominator by this denominator. That is, 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 1 is 2. And of course, this is equal to 5x plus 3 divided by 6. Now, expanding this, we have 3x times x, that is 3x squared. 3x times 1, that is 3x. Minus 3 times x, that is minus 3x. Minus 3 times 1, that is minus 3. Then we have plus 8x minus 12 divided by 2x plus 2, and this is equal to 5x plus 3 over 6. And here we have 3x squared plus 3x minus 3x is equal to 0. We have plus 8x. Minus 3 minus 12 is minus 15 divided by 2x plus 2. And this is equal to 5x plus 3 over 6. And of course, to get rid of these two fractions, we cross multiply. We have 6 times 3x squared, that is 18x squared. 6 times 8x, that is 48x. 6 times minus 15, that is minus 90, is equal to 2x plus 2 multiplied by 5x plus 3. On the left hand side, we have 18x squared plus 48x minus 90. And here we have 2x times 5x, that is 10x squared. 2x times 3, that is 6x. 2 times 5x, that is 10x. And 2 times 3, that is 6. And from here we have that 18x squared plus 48x minus 90 is equal to 10x squared. 6x plus 10x is 16x plus 6. Now let us move these three terms over to the left hand side. When we do that, we have 18x squared minus 10x squared plus 48x minus 16x minus 90 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now 18x squared minus 10x squared is 8x squared. 48x minus 16x is 32x. And minus 90 minus 6 is minus 96, and this is equal to 0. Now notice that these three terms are divisible by 8. So let us go through the equation by 8. 8x squared divided by 8 is x squared. 32x divided by 8 is 4x. And minus 96 divided by 8 is minus 12. And this is equal to 0. Now we can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of x squared is 1, all we need to do is to find the factors of minus 12 that add up to plus 4. And of course, we have 6 and minus 2, because 6 times minus 2 is going to give us minus 12, while 6 minus 2 is going to give us 4. So when we factorize this left-hand side, we have x plus 6 times x minus 2 is equal to 0. And of course, from here we have that either x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now from here we have that x is equal to minus 6, and from here we have that x is equal to 2. So the two values of x that apparently satisfy this equation are x equal to minus 6 and x equal to plus 2. But now let us go back to the equation. Here we have the root x plus 1, and when x is equal to minus 6, then we are going to have the root minus 6 plus 1, which is equal to minus 5. And I do not think that this makes sense mathematically. So the only value of x that satisfies this equation is x equal to 2. Now to check our answer, let us substitute 2 for x into the original equation and see what happens. Here we have the square root of 8 to the power 2 minus 1, which of course is equal to 1, times, this is 2 plus 1, so we have the cube root of 4 to the power 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3, 1. Now, is this equal to the 6th root of 2 to the power 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3, that is 13. Now, this is the same as 8 to the power 1 over 2 times this is the same as 4 to the power 1 over 3. Is this equal to 2 to the power 13 over 6? Of course, you know that 8 is 2 cubed to the power 1 over 2. 4 is 2 squared to the power 1 over 3. Is this equal to 2 to the power 13 over 6? Multiplying these two, we have 2 to the power 3 over 2 times 2 to the power 2 over 3. Is this equal to 2 to the power 13 over 6? And to multiply these two, we add their exponents. So we have 2 to the power 3 over 2 plus 2 over 3. Is this equal to 2 to the power 13 over 6? Now here we have 2 to the power. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So this is 2 to the power. 9 plus 4 is 13. And of course, we have the denominator, which is 6. And of course, you can see that when x is equal to 2, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching and watch more videos here.